Alright, I'm busy here today with Mr. Kidwell the Destroyer. I'm stripping the donkey. Already got the door off, got the hinges off, prepping this girl for a new cab. I'm gonna get the chassis cleaned up, obviously empty all this crap out the back. But yeah, we're using our days off. We've got a couple of days off this week before New Year, and we're using them wisely to resurrect this donkey. So cleaning the doors for the swamp donkey. Windscreen out, fender coming. She likes to make noise. Stripped off the old doors so we can get all the mechanisms out of her, get all the grill off, managed to get the fenders and everything off. As you can see, she's looking worse for wear today. Busy taking off the cab now. I want to rip that off. I've got the seat out, got the dashboard out with the cluster and everything as well. As you can see, she's pretty bare inside now, so we're ready. In a few minutes we're going to pull this cab off here. Front of her off, got the fenders off, got the handbrake and everything out, disconnected all the electrical, disconnected all the plumbing, got the cab pretty much off. We ran out of cutting discs because we need to cut some mountings off to get the rest of the cab off. But as you can see, fuel tank and everything is out, cluster, everything is out, and then seat is out. Okay, chassis sanded, getting ready for paint. Swamp Donkey's new cab. As you can see, the firewall's been done in stone chip already and heat resistant. The whole cab sanded down to bare metal and then NS1 with anti-rust inhibitor. Getting ready to go for bodywork and primer now. Inside was done as well with a stone chip rubberizer. There's the old tunnel cover. Still got to clean that up. Got the new wiper mold. And then up top there, I've got a new bonnet for her there. So let's see, fingers crossed. We've got the cab is now off, which is over here. You can see that cab. There was no saving that cab, that's for sure. It pretty much just threw it off. One of the strangest aspects of it, when you consider with these trucks, the one thing that always rusts out is the rear cab corners. And this thing is so rotten, everything is rusted, yet the rear cab corners, perfect. Strange. Normally those are the first things to go on almost all the old trucks. Bonnet is off, fenders off. There's going to be a lot of work to do on the inner fenders. We're going to replace them with some other inner fenders we've got, but we have to keep the original outer fenders. Got the tunnel cover there, got the steps off, they're going to need some work. Got the shroud off of the radiator. There's the new shroud, it's been cleaned, getting ready, and then we'll transfer everything across once it's painted. And as you can see, the doors have been sanded and cleaned. Starting to clean this door as well. Got the old doors off so we can start stripping all the mechanisms and everything out. Got the grill off, got the door panels off, got all the light bezels off. So yeah, the donkey is truly on her way. Tomorrow what we'll do is we're going to pull this chassis forward, and then we're going to lift this load bed off and put that on the floor and clear the back, because we're going to be turning her into a car hauler. And then the next phase will be to pull the motor out, give that a good clean. But the motor seems good, it's running solid, and I'm pretty sure whoever wants her is going to probably want to change the motor at some point. So we're not going to do too much with the old motor, we're going to just keep it as is, clean it up obviously. So yeah.